Hello everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel Blajil. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can delete your Instagram account permanently. So just follow this video. So you need to go to your account on Instagram app, and once you reach here you need to click on these three buttons. After that, go to settings, and when in settings, and you will see the option of help. Click on help. After that you will see four options. Just click on help center. It will redirect you to your browser. Once here, you need to click on the three lines here again. Now once here you will see four options. You need to click on second one, manage your account. After that you will see many options again. Now click on delete your account. Now you have some other options, temporarily disable and delete your account, or how do I assess or review my data. So just click on how do I delete my Instagram account. So here you will have temporarily disable your account option, but you need to scroll down, and here to request the permanent deletion of your account, you need to click here delete your account. Now it is asking you the reason why you want to delete your account. So you can just click on anyone. You can click on trouble getting started, concerned about data. Let's click on concerned about my data. Now here I need to re-enter my password. Then click next. It is asking, are you sure you want to delete your account? Yes, I want to delete my account because it has been hacked. Okay, your account will be deleted on December 23rd. If you change your mind, log back in before then and choose to keep your account. Okay, and today is, I think, November 23rd, so it will be deleted within the month.